Hey guys, I got sent over a 71-inch metal storage cabinet. We're going to get it unboxed, put together, and then we'll take a closer look at it. So stick around. Hey guys, just for some clarification, A has 3 slots in it, like right here. B, right here, the slots are on the opposite side. This one is marked B, and this one is marked B. So make sure to get your right ones straight. Yours may come in labeled A and B, mine came in labeled B and B. But there's only one of each. Don't get them mixed up. Plus, B has a little piece right up here. If you can see that, that little piece is right up here. Just a FYI. guys, there you have it. This is our 71-inch metal cabinet. I've got some of the inventory put in here. It's going to be a great place to store it. You can fill it on up. I'm not real sure if it's 71 inches after you put the little feet on the bottom. So I was kind of curious about that. After you put those feet on the bottom, it's actually going to come out about 72.5. About a little over 6 foot. And our width is 31 5/8. The depth is 15 7/8. So, nice size cabinet. You got room to put stuff up here. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, there's got room up there. Plenty of room in here. All these shelves are adjustable. Nice solid cabinet. Went together real easy. Not real sure what the little rod in here is for. I guess if you took the shelves out, you could probably hang, you know, if you're going to use this for like a utility closet, you could hang a broom or something on those. Not real sure. Duster, whatever. But this shelf here, the top one, is the full width. These are, you know, from the inside to the edge is about 15 1/4. Clear of the door, you're looking at about 13.5 inches from right here to the edge of the door. And about the same thing on this side too. And this way, you can adjust it however you need it. Anyway, there you have it. Really nice metal cabinet. Like I said, solid, went together good. One of the suggestions I would make is, especially if you're going to be moving it around much, you could put casters on that bottom. You can just unscrew those feet. Those feet are adjustable. If your floor is not level, you can adjust that. But if you put casters on there, they're all pretty much going to be the same height. Anyway, there you have it. Not much else to say about it. Really good shelf. I'm pretty impressed with it. I don't have any complaints whatsoever. It's a little nicer than some of the other ones I've done. So definitely a thumbs up in my book. If you're interested in this, I will put a link down in the description to the product page where you can go read more about it and possibly order one for yourself or someone else. If you're interested in storage cabinets and organization and things like that, I'll put a playlist right over here where you might find something else you'd be interested in. Never know. Go check it out. I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.